Hi everyone, it's Stu here from 3B. Now we're looking at the game settings only on the Q800T. These game settings would probably apply quite well to the Q700T, but in terms of the Q900 and the top of the range model, I would imagine you would probably have to adjust these quite a bit. So let's crack on. So if we go to general, it's not found under picture, bizarrely. And I think it's system manager. No, it's not. It's one of these. There we go. So go to external device manager, oddly, and then game mode settings. Game mode I set to auto. You can set that to whatever you want, so you can have it on permanently or auto. So basically it will figure out when a console is connected. Make sure input signal plus is on all inputs. Any net plus HDMI-C, see I turn off. So what we need to do is we just need to turn that to on. So game mode puts surround sound on. Dynamic black equalizer is at 2. Game motion settings. I put it at game motion plus, blur reduction, judder reduction at 10. Clear motion LED I turn off. And then if we go to the picture mode and then go to expert settings, brightness I have at 40, contrast at 50, sharpness at 10, color at 25, tint at 0. All these are automatic. Local dimming high, contrast enhancer at low, color tone warm 2 once again, and gamma 2.2, shadow detail 1, and color space settings native. And those are the game settings that I use. They work pretty well for me. As ever, adjust these, use these as a base, as a starting point perhaps. Some people like things a bit more vivid, but for me, you know, I find them, you know, pretty okay, a good starting point at least. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to click that bell, and I'll see you next time. Thanks again. Take care. Bye-bye.